Okay, another small packet of seam knobby material from Lightning Ridge. Extremely bright, rules in millimetres. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved any of the pieces as I normally don't. Just move the stone along. Colours are the natural colours, just coming back through a standard light source. Nothing special, no enhancement, just extra bright little pieces. If you can't cut a few good ones out of this, well, if I liked hats I might eat it. Look at this one. Little pink piece over there on the side. Anyway, it gives you an idea.